Imagine a kitchen counter buried under unwashed, half-rotten vegetables, bags of spilled flour, and 3 identical jars of the exact same spice. If you asked a world-class chef to walk in and instantly plate a 5-star meal from this mess, they would struggle. Before any cooking can happen, someone has to prep the ingredients. This is the same problem data scientists and artificial intelligence models face every day. Out in the real world, data is born messy, duplicated, and full of errors. Before raw numbers can generate a trustworthy business insight, they have to go through a rigorous preparation phase. We call this process data wrangling. Data wrangling is the deliberate work of transforming raw, unstructured information into a clean, reliable format. Some people call this data munging, which is essentially digital housework, like washing and sorting your ingredients before they hit the pan. You might be surprised by how much time this takes. Statistics show that data analysts and scientists spend up to 80% of their working hours just on this preparation. They do this because AI and analytics tools cannot understand chaos. To function without crashing or making mistakes, these systems require perfectly standardized inputs. Even the most advanced achievements in tech rely on this quiet, heavy-lifting foundational work. The first step is discovering. Think of this as taking inventory. Just as a chef checks the pantry, a data scientist assesses what data they have, where it came from, and how it is formatted. Next comes cleaning. This is like a chef throwing out a rotten tomato to protect the rest of the dish. In a digital spreadsheet, cleaning means finding missing values, like blank spots on a customer form, or identifying accidental duplicate entries. These errors must be fixed. Duplicate rows disappear, and blank cells are filled with average values, so the missing data doesn't skew the final analysis. Discovering and cleaning act as a digital immune system, preventing flaws from entering the pipeline. Step 3 is structuring. This is like chopping carrots into uniform, equal sizes, so they all cook at the same rate. For data, this means unifying formats. If you have sales logged in euros, pounds, and yen, they all get converted into a single currency so they can be calculated together. The fourth step is enriching. Imagine a chef adding a rare spice to elevate the meal. In data wrangling, this means bringing in outside information. A store might add local weather records to sales data to see if rain affects foot traffic. Structuring and enriching transform adequate data into a highly valuable, machine-readable asset. The final step is validating. This is the chef tasting the sauce one last time before the plate leaves the kitchen. Data scientists apply logical cross-checks to make sure the data obeys the laws of reality, like ensuring a customer's age isn't a negative number. Validation is the final guarantee that the data is genuinely ready for the computer to use. Once the prep work is complete, the actual cooking happens in a flash. Clean data is instantly digested by AI models. There is a foundational rule in computer science: garbage in, garbage out. An AI cannot outperform the quality of the data we give it. Meticulously prepared ingredients are the non-negotiable prerequisite for high-quality, trustworthy decisions. Behind every modern AI breakthrough, or every successful predictive model, there is a massive, invisible foundation of wrangled data. The success of our digital tools depends on this foundation. Building reliable AI starts with mastering the human art of data wrangling.